Bulb Institute's Internship Program. The program is a 90-day free internship initiative developed by the Bulb Institute to create an entry-level experience for graduates of our fellowship program. Fellows who have successfully completed the fellowship program are placed into partner companies to gain industry experience. Based on the performance of each fellow, a full-time employment offer is made within 45 days of internship.
Here, I'm learning a lot. It's been a beautiful experience so far. It's been great to work with a lot of people. It's been great to work with a team.
What I gained from the training was different from being just a learner.
Honestly, my life has changed. Money keeps coming in every month.
Visit fellowship.thebulb.africa to apply for the fellowship program. If chosen, you'll become a fellow and undergo training alongside other fellows. Successful fellowship graduates would have access to the internship opportunity.
Thank you, The Bulb Africa.
Thank you so much, The Bulb, for this opportunity.
I really light up my life.
The Bulb Institute, connecting talents to opportunities and innovation from Africa to global opportunities.